Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve a problem number 392 in Leetcode is subsequence. Given two strings s and t, return true if s is a subsequence of t or false otherwise. A subsequence of a string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some of the characters without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters. That is, ACE is a subsequence of ABCDE while AEC is not. Right? Clear with the subsequence? So subsequence is, just take for example, if Pirai is a string, then PRA is a subsequence, PIR is a subsequence, PAI is a subsequence, PIRA is a subsequence, IR is a subsequence, IA is a subsequence, only R is a subsequence, A is a subsequence, AI is a subsequence, RI is a subsequence. So there are plenty of subsequence. Totally there are 2 power n subsequence, right? So totally there are 2 power n subsequence. Now the question is asked to find whether S is a subsequence of T. Fine. Now just take for example ABC is subsequence of AH B G D C. Is it a subsequence? Just check. A is occurred, B is occurred next to A, C is occurred next to B, right? So it is subsequence. A X C. A is occurred, X is not occurred, but C is occurred. So it is not a subsequence, right? Because X is not occurred. Then how come it can be the subsequence, right? And also here if it is like A B H A B H, then it's also not a subsequence, because subsequence would be in a relative order. Not can be like A then go not can be like first and last and middle any elements, not like that. Fine. Now how to approach this problem? Take for example A B E, they have given that, and AH G E B C E. This is the question. See here, A occurred, then B occurred, then E occurred. A occurred, B occurred, then E occurred. If take for example, this is not the case. A B H, then A also occurred, B also occurred, H also occurred, but they are not in order. They are in going here, then going here. It can go only in front order, not it cannot be reverse. It cannot come reverse. Okay, fine. This is the subsequence. This is the property of subsequence. So how to find the subsequence? First one is brute force. In this question, brute force is the toughest program. Brute force is the toughest program. Since we are we just seeing the 2-pointer approach. Now we are getting and started to coding in 2-pointer concepts, but still we can also do this in recursion. We can also do this in recursion backtracking. In this we can find all possible subsequence. Right? Then check whether it is equal to this yes. Sorry, this yes, this yes. We find all subsequence of t, then find whether there is any subsequence that is matches with s. This is the brute force. And telling about the time complexity and space complexity. The time complexity is O of what? 2 power n for generating all the subsequence. And what is the time complexity? It is O of 2 power n because of the recursion stack. Fine. And it is 2 power n, but still I remember it as n. Okay, it is n, I think so. This is the space complexity for this brute force approach. But still, can we optimize it? It is a first approach. It is a first approach. Can we optimize it? Yes, yes, we can optimize it. What is the second approach? See here, it is A, B, E. It is A, H. What is it? A, H, G, B, C, E. G, B, C, E. Right. Now, I know that if this A occurred here, then I have to find whether this B occurring next to A. Yes, occurring. Next, I want to see whether this E is occurring after this B. Right? This is my approach. So it is like 2-pointer. It is 2-pointer. Just assume here is my pointer and here is my pointer. Whether A and A are equal, yes. Now move. Whether B and H are equal, no, move. Whether G and B are equal, no, move. Whether B and B are equal, yes, move. Whether E and C are equal, no, move. Whether E and E are equal, yes, move. At last, see here, where is the pointer? It is at the T's length of T, and here also it is length of S. So I can sure definitely this pointer will be entered at length of T, but I'm not sure that definitely this will be entered at length of S. Yes, let us take another example. S is equal to a slight difference, A EB, T is equal to A G B C E. Now here is my pointer, A is equal to A. Okay, fine. Now E is equal to H, no. G is equal to H, no. Sorry, G is equal to E, no. B is equal to E, no. C is equal to E, no. E is equal to E, yes. Update. Now see here. This pointer is lying at the second index, but this pointer moved out and it is at the length of T. Fine. So this is why I told the string T, this pointer will definitely goes to the length of T. But here it is not guaranteed that it goes to the length of S. That's why at the end we check whether this pointer, let us take this pointer as F. Okay, this F is at the length of S. If at the end it is at the length of F, we will return true. Else we return false. Understood? So this is the optimal approach. Okay, talking about a time complexity and a space complexity. What's the time complexity? It is O of what? N plus M. Right? Because we are traversing here and also we are traversing here. We finish both at the best case. Now what is space? Space is constant O of 1. Right? So this is the optimal approach. Approach number 2. Now let us see the code. See here, it is a code. Int I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, while j is less than t dot length of, okay, if t of I is equal to s of I. Sorry, t of j is equal to s of I. If both are same, I want to update I and also I want to update j. Right? Yes. If it is true, I want to only update this I. I didn't put a block, so I confused slightly. Because if statement will take only one line if there is no bracket, right? So if this condition true, then only I want to make I plus plus, I to move one step ahead, and j will be moving constantly. Okay, return I is equal to s dot length as I told in the approach. Let me submit it. Fine, it is submitted successfully, right? Let us see Python code 2. Yes, I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, while I is less than len of s and j is less than len of t. If s of I is equal to j of, t of j, then I plus equal to 1. If not, I just iterate one j alone I will iterate one by one. If they both same, I will make I to jump one step ahead, right? If I is equal to len of s, I will return true, else I will return false, right? I can also return here also. Directly I can return here also. It will return the condition, right? Here also I can return. It gives the same output. Let me submit it. Fine, it is submitted successfully. So this is the approach for this problem. Thank you.